Peppa Pig gets grounded. Get her! I'm not gonna let you get away. Ha! You don't hit me. Peppa throws George in the microwave and gets grounded. Hey kids, we're going to get a new microwave because our old one is broken and it doesn't work. I know, let's buy one. Yay, we're excited. Yay, we're excited for the new microwave. Yay, we're excited. Okay, that's good. Let's go now. Yay, I'm excited to get a new microwave. Oh, thank God there's only the last one in the shelf. Okay. Oh, I can't reach it. Just catch it. Oh, my head. Oh, okay. Let's pay for it and then they get back home. I'm excited for a new microwave. Okay. There we go, new microwave. Oh, okay, what things for putting it? I'm gonna get some mash. And I'm going to throw my little brother George in it. So, Peppa Pig. How dare you? How dare you throw your little brother George in the new microwave? You'll grind it for 800-979-978-687-56973-12978-97529 years. Go to your room, and you're not going to use a microwave ever again. Wham!